Good day. Please introduce yourself.
Hi, I am Edna Tama. I'm 35 years old. I'm married. I have two kids, 14 and 12 years old. I'm high school graduate.
Okay. Do you have work experience abroad as a domestic helper?
No, sir. I have.
Do you experience here in Philippines?
Yes, sir. I'm 4 years finished contract.
Okay, that's good. What are your duties and responsibilities in your previous employer?
I'm cooking, cleaning, and dishwashing clothes and hardening.
Did you take care of the baby?
Yes, sir.
How many age?
6 months and 14, 12 years old.
Okay. Can you tell us how you take care of the children, the baby and elderly? Do you feeding them?
Yes, sir. I-
Do you cook for them?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Please tell us some of your skills.
I'm Hannes.
You are a high school graduate.
Yes, sir. I'm
You can cook Filipino food.
Yes, sir.
What are the traits necessary to be a good domestic helper?
Yes, sir.
What are the traits necessary to be a good domestic helper?
I'm Hannes. And
You're a hardworking person.
yes, sir.
You're honest.
I'm Hannes.
You're loyal.
Yes, sir.
Anything else you want to tell for your future employer? Can you tell them now?
Thank you.
Anything else you want to tell for your future employer? Can you tell them now? Do you promise to finish your 2 years contract?
Yes, sir. I'm promised for finished contract in 2 years.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.